everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's episode we are talking about, and we're going to do a review, and we are going to have a makeup tutorial of the HUDA Beauty Nude palette. Now it retails for $65 if you're in the United States, and it retails for £56 if you're in the UK. You can get this in Harrods or also on HUDA Beauty online. This palette is supposed to be like a nude palette. It's supposed to be, let me open it up for you guys. She has like a film here, so that just covers the mirror. We're going to keep that there. And this is supposed to be a warm and cool tone. I see a lot of pinks, so I don't necessarily see how it's kind of sort of nude, but I get it. I love the PR package. I wish I had like this netting to frame my face. It would have been fabulous, but I didn't have anything that shade. Anyhow, let us get into it. So she has 18 shades. She has mattes, she has glitters, and she has shimmers as well as duochromes. As a matter of fact, she has 4 duochromes, and then she has 2 glitters. This one right here, which is called Excite, and I have it on my lids already. Best to use your finger. Like she told you in the other palettes, it goes true to form in this one as well. So this is what the palette looks like. I'm going to close it a little bit so you can see it, and you can see the glitters, you can see the mattes, you can see the reflex, and then that is Huda, and she's got the lashes and she has the makeup. So you can make a very dramatic eye, which I have done, or you can do something super duper nude. All right, my loves. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go into the next frame, and we're going to start with the makeup tutorial. I am so proud of myself because this is the second time I'm filming this, and my wonderful son Adrian is quiet. So let's do this. All right, I'll see you in the next frame. Darling, so you can see I've already done my base, I've done my contour, I have my primer, which is the NYX jumbo pencil, and then what I use a benign powder underneath, and I use the one called Topaz. This is what I use underneath my eyes. There you go, can you see? And I use the NYX jumbo pencil in milk. Okay, all right, so we're going into the palette, and I'm going to go into Teddy, and Teddy is a nice neutral color, so I'm going to use that as my first transition, and I'm just going to punch it right above the crease, way above the crease, very close to the brow. So we're going to go into the next color, and the next color is called Spanked. I'm using a smaller brush because I don't want to lose the first color that I put in, which was Teddy. And we're gonna just go in again above the crease, just to deepen the crease. This is all to just deepen the crease. Now, I just love the combo orange and pink. I think it's so beautiful on dark complexions. The palette didn't have orange. This is just my personal preference. I'm going in with Juvia's, and I'm going to go in with Dakar. This is from Darlings, the Afrique palette. So I'm going to go in with Dakar. It's a very rusty color, love it. And I'm just going to put this into the crease just to give it some punch. So pretty. Then I'm going to go in with Love Bite, and I want to put this on the outer V just to give it some personality. Can you hear Adrian? He's okay, he's just making noises. Yeah. Then I'm going to go in with the Juvia's palette because the Huda Beauty palette doesn't have a black, and I need this for extra depth. And we're gonna put this again into the outer V just to deepen it. Yes. Then now with your finger, we are going to go in with the most favorite color glitter for me in the entire palette. Use your finger because you get a better payoff that way. And you just take it like so, and you just graze it over your lid. That is it. Try to get to the ball of the eye and on the outside. Then with Love Bite and a flat brush, we're going to go back into the outer V, and we're going to go over the glitter just to bring it together, have a gradient effect, and I'll show you how. Don't worry about the outside glitter, it's still going to show. So you just tap, do you see? So that you still have the glitter there, but you have it in a darker shade to bring the look together. There you go, see? And then you can get any excess glitter off from the side. It's really easy. I love the color Crave, so I'm going to take this color and put it in my inner tear duct. See? So I'm taking Love Bite and we're going right underneath. Surprisingly pigmented. I love this. Then I'm going to go with Urban Decay, and this pencil is called Alkaline. Yes, it's a deep plum, and I'm going to put this into my waterline. And then I'm going to go with Gigi Hadid's Maybelline collaboration, and I just want to go in and just rim it a little bit onto the edge right there. Then I'm going to go in with Ya. That's from the Nubian palette. It's a beautiful rust. It is so gorgeous. I'm going to put this on the high points of my brow bone because, like I said, I want this kind of oranges and pinks, and this really complements it so beautifully. So here we go. Oof, yes. So there we have it, darlings. I'm going to put on my mascara, which is the Bad Girl Bang mascara. You guys already know it. I'm going to put on my lashes, my faves and go-to right now are from La Page Trends. I'm going to put her link down below. And I am using the Faux Mink lashes in Pearl. I will be right back. All right, darlings. Do we love? Yes. Kind of sunsetty, kind of blood orange. I'm really feeling it. It's really pretty and it just pops out the eye. I wanted to tell you guys also, when you're wearing your lashes, put them almost like they're standing onto the rim of your lash. It gives that fan effect and it really opens them up. All right, so we're using two blushes today, and we are going to use the Hyacinth and Lantana of Becca Cosmetics. Yes, I couldn't decide which one, so I thought let me just zhazh it up with the two. Okay, and I'm just putting it right up to the cheekbone, and I'm bringing it all the way up here. I have a mirror right here so that you guys can see what I'm doing, so that I have a kind of orangey pinkish hue, you know, and I do it there, right up in here. It's so wonderful having a baby, so interesting being a mother. Having said that, it has humbled me because I thought I knew certain things. I don't know anything. I am learning as I go. But we're doing okay though. We're doing okay. This is the second time I had to film this because Adrian was just so noisy. All right, now we have How Many Carats by Fenty Beauty. This is a fabulous highlighter. Dare I say, I love this even more than the first highlighter. I forget its name now, I'm blanking out. So I'm just going to swish it right through and I'm just dabbing it on. And it has reflex. Can you see? Very Christmassy, very festive. It's white, so be careful for my dark skinned sisters because it can come off ashy if you do too much. Yes, darling, yes. So we're putting some up here and we're gonna put some up here, you know, for the pop, for the face, for the glitter, for the glam. I have a couple of Christmas parties I want to go to. Voila, I'm loving it. Okay, I'm gonna take my MAC pencil in Chestnut. I'm gonna come a little bit closer and I'm going to line my entire lip, yeah? Voila. And this keeps your lip gloss lipstick lasting longer. We're going to take Kylie Cosmetics Literally Lip Gloss and we're going to go all over the lip. Delish. Then we're going to go in with So Cute in the center. Then we're going to go with Morphe Continuous Mist Setting Spray. And there you have it, darlings. So we're going to go into the next frame and we're going to find out if the Huda Beauty Nude palette is F.D.V approved or not. All right, guys, we are back. I love it. I absolutely love it, and I tell you this, I prefer it to all of her previous palettes. I love the warm tones, I love the cool tones, I love the glitter reflex. The matte shades were very creamy and buttery. They applied on very smoothly. They were highly pigmented. Good for her. It's a pricier palette, but you get 18 shades, so it is really entirely up to you. But I love this palette and I love the look that I created. I like her glitters. I like the fact that I can use my finger and apply it. And remember, guys, I have Huda dyes and it still came out looking fabulous without it being messy and being thrown all over the place, because I did my base first. I didn't do the eye first. I did my base first and it still came out okay. Love it. Yes, yes, and yes, darlings, this palette, it is F.D.V approved. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed the episode and I will see you in the next one. Love and kisses. Bye.
Some problems with your phone. Tell me why you just can't play it honest. You think you have the right, I won't